More muscle, less wasted effort. 5 movements, 20 minutes. That's all it takes. Master these, and you'll rebuild the strength you think you lost. Your body still knows how to grow, you just need the right signals. Number 1, the squat. Your foundation builder. Most people avoid squats, fearing bad knees, but it's actually caused by weak muscles, not fragile joints. This move rebuilds your legs, hips, and the muscle you lose fastest after 50. Master it, and standing, climbing, and lifting all get easier. Here's how to do it. Stand with feet shoulder width apart. Push your hips back and bend your knees. Lower until your thighs hit 90 degrees. Keep your chest up the whole time. Drive through your heels to stand. Aim for 3 sets of 10 reps. This is how you rebuild your lower body foundation. Number 2, the push-up. Your upper body igniter. Most people think push-ups are only for young athletes, but it's actually caused by years of avoiding upper body pushing movements. This exercise rebuilds your chest, shoulders, and triceps, the muscles behind your arms. Stick with it, and pushing open doors gets effortless. Here's how to do it. Start in a plank position, hands under shoulders. Lower your chest toward the ground. Keep your elbows at 45 degrees from your body. Stop just above the floor. Push back up to full extension. Aim for 3 sets of 8 reps. This is how you rebuild upper body power. Number 3, the row. Your posture and back rebuilder. Most people develop a hunched, rounded posture over time, but it's actually caused by a weak back from too much sitting. This pulling movement strengthens everything holding your spine upright. Nail this, and your posture transforms within weeks. Here's how to do it. Hold a resistance band or light dumbbells. Hinge forward slightly at your hips. Pull your elbows back toward your waist. Squeeze your shoulder blades together at the top. Lower with control over 2 seconds. Aim for 3 sets of 12 reps. This is how you rebuild a strong, upright back. Number 4, the hip hinge. Your power generator. Most people lose hip strength without realizing how much they use it, but it's actually caused by neglecting the muscles in your glutes and hamstrings. This move rebuilds the power behind every step, lift, and stride. Train this, and you'll move with real strength again. Here's how to do it. Stand with feet hip width apart. Push your hips back, like closing a car door. Keep a slight bend in your knees. Lower your torso to about 45 degrees. Drive your hips forward to return upright. Aim for 3 sets of 10 reps. This is how you rebuild explosive hip strength. Number 5, the plank. Your core stabilizer. Most people think core training means endless sit-ups, but it's actually caused by misunderstanding what your core really does. This move trains your core to stabilize your spine under real-life demands. Master it, and every other movement gets stronger and safer. Here's how to do it. Start face down, forearms on the ground. Lift your body into a straight line. Keep your hips level, not sagging or piked. Squeeze your abs and glutes tight. Hold the position, breathing steadily. Aim for 3 sets of 30 seconds. This is how you rebuild a rock-solid core. Start today, and I'll see you in the next video.